Good day, welcome to my other channel. Well, as you can see, we have got someone else who has decided that they wanted to use us to complete. They had already started their building, so we are now just taking over from the Ringbeam. So we are actually working on the Ringbeam. There have been so many mistakes that we can see, but hey, it's already too late. We're not going to be, you can't dwell on the past. Like here, they've been putting too much mortar on the plastic of when they were doing the brickwork, showing that these people were not taking care when they were doing the brickwork. So we are taking over, and the person said that he had already given them the money. There's some places whereby you can actually see they were not filling up properly, or the other areas when we look at it properly whereby it is not straight, the walls are not straight. But now these are things which we cannot correct, or if we want to correct, we need to demolish, and it's not very easy to tell someone that we need to demolish their house. So we're just going to leave it at where we are, and we're just going to finish off. He had already paid them for the brickwork, which they did not complete, so we are going to finish the brickwork for them. And right now, as we do the ring beam, we will then see in the next few days that we'll also start doing the brickwork, the areas that have not been finished. The wire we have already, as I've shown you, that is the wire that we have done. So these are mainly the rooms. This is a bedroom. Here is another bedroom that is here, that hopefully because of the sun you cannot see well. So here is, we're in the middle of the corridor. So this is someone's house, but also at the same time, at the present moment, they will want to use it as an income property. So this is a bedroom, this is the toilet, and this is the shower room. So these are the three. This is an area that needs to be built up. There's not been any brickwork that has been done there. So as you can see, there's a gentleman who's doing the timber for the roofing and for the ring beam, and we'll be working on that to finish. In here is the kitchen. This is the kitchen area, which is still to be built, and through here is the master bedroom with its in-suite. So these are the areas that still need to be built. There's still a lot of brickwork that needs to be done, and here is another bedroom. So we are looking at this project, us taking over, as we have taken over it. It is some time for us to complete. We are just, as I said, we work with the clients' funding. If they do not have funds, we will stop and continue. But for right now, where we have agreed to end is the after the ring beam, we'll do the brickwork. After that brickwork, then we will see if they can do the roof. If they can do the roof, we will then go ahead and do the roof. But if they can't do the roof, we'll wait until they're ready. But for right now, it's the ring beam plus the brickwork on top, and then after that we will then. But at the present moment, there are things which we can see which can then be corrected later on, and us correcting them later on will just mean that we are correcting them later on using mortar. But this is where we are. So this is a new project for us. We started it this week. Thank you very much. Until next time, have a good day.